what's up? It's your girl Didi and welcome back to another live video. Happy Independence Day, everybody. I hope you guys stay safe today and please continue to practice those safety precautions with wearing your mask, making sure you sanitize wherever you go, because now things are getting really strict out there because of the whole COVID situation. Hi Natasha, I'm good. How are you doing? Happy Independence Day. Hope you guys have a great day today. Please be safe during this time. Let's avoid any issues. Let's have a safe and productive Monday. And Madness Monday, you know I'm gonna do a kitchen madness video today. I finally got my recipe book printed. Yay! Isn't it totally cute? Hi Bigesh. Hi Diante. So I'm reading the comments as I go along. And I'm trying to go on YouTube as well. So hi guys on YouTube, how you guys doing? I do have my simple quick and easy booklet. It's a little bit bigger, but so this booklet basically has healthy recipes in terms of healthy snack options, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this recipe is purely about chocolate recipes. This one is 100, this one is 120 TT, and it's also on Amazon, so you guys can go and check it out. Let me know if you're interested in it, and if you're interested in getting one signed, let me know. You can get it on Amazon, or if you're in Trinidad, you could just message me and I can get one signed to you. Okay, Vikash? Just message me. So today, I hope you guys stay safe, and you know what, wear your mask because now the rules are getting crazy. Remember, I'm a dietitian, nutritionist, and healthcare professional, so I can help you achieve your health goal through lifestyle changes. And now let's see, I am going to be making something yummy, of course, because I always make yummy stuff, right? Yes, I do. Stop it. Anyway, so let's make some chocolate covered snicker stuffed dates. So that's on page 21 in my booklet. Ta-da! Look at it. Isn't it totally cute and adorable? It's gonna taste so good. I made it once before, but I love it so much. It's such a nice snack. And honestly, it's just basically the dates. So I have my wonderful dates right here. Finally got dates. Hi baby, how are you doing? So I'm reading the comments as I go along. You just need some peanut butter, which I have right here as well. Oh, I'm supposed to get chocolate, melted chocolate. That is a very important ingredient, as well as nuts. So nuts are gonna go on the outside. Ooh. So I basically have some crushed nuts. I just used a filter and smashed it. So that worked, and that's going to be used for the outside of my Snicker bar. So this is just a healthy Snicker bar option that you guys can try. And let me know if you guys like it as we go along. I think I should definitely put the chocolate to melt in the microwave a meanwhile. Oh yeah, it's afternoon, right? Hope you guys have a fantastic day, guys. Hi Samantha, how you doing? Good, so let's get straight into it. Dates are really beneficial. It helps with your bowel movement, and it actually provides a good source of like antioxidant properties. And the peanut butter is really satisfying. It helps to keep you full. It provides healthy fat options, and it's good energy. And the dark chocolate is basically for antioxidant properties, has good dietary fiber as well. So it's a definitely healthy, a little energy boosting snack. So let me just take some chocolate and warm this up. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Basically have some like chocolate chunks with me. Ta-da! So I'm just gonna melt them away and put them in the microwave, and that will be used as the outside to definitely coat the chocolate Snickers. So that's going to the microwave now. Sorry about the noise. Hopefully that will melt nice and melty. I'm just gonna leave it in there for like 30 seconds to maybe a minute. Depends on how hard the chocolate is. And let's get the dates. So you're gonna just take them and slice them in the center. And then you're gonna take some peanut butter. And then you're gonna put some peanut butter in them. Move. Sorry. So you put some peanut butter in the center. Look at that. And this is actually a nice snack as well, but I'm just going to do a little extra special stuff because I love chocolate, and chocolate makes everything taste so much better. I'm like a chocolate addict. This is my guiltless chocolate recipe, okay guys? Guiltless. 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 I don't have to feel guilty about eating dark chocolate. It's finished just now. Let me just slice some more. Oops. So you just basically slice it open. Dig in some peanut butter. If you're allergic to any of these things, please avoid them. Just replace them with whatever you're not allergic to. Any other nut butter that you're not allergic to, you can use that. Okay, guys. Let's see. So I have 3. Let me just make 4. These days are pretty small. But it depends on your size. So I'm just going to have 4 of them. So you just stuff it with some peanut butter. And let me just go and check. Let me just go and check on the chocolate. Is it melty? Is it hot? Oh, it's hot. Okay, don't do it yourself. Because I put it in for like a minute. And I just want to add some little bit of honey. A little bit of honey. And just a little bit of honey and milk. Just melty, mix it all together. Let me just show you guys. Yay! It's melting, it's melting. Melt. So I'm just gonna like swirl it around. Let me just get, do you know cinnamon tastes so good in this? Like cinnamon, I love cinnamon so much. I'm gonna just add it. Give me 1 second. And of course, honey makes everything taste even better. So I'm just gonna sweeten it with a little honey as well. Make it taste a lot yummier. Don't go, I'm still here. We're just making some chocolate sauce for the outside of the dates. I'm just mixing it all together. And honestly, after you get your chocolate melted and you put the dates in them, you have to refrigerate it for a little while so that it gets a little hard. And then you can enjoy it as a healthy snack option. Yep. Okay, this is turned into, I spilled. So you got your dates, you got your chocolate, you just put it in, mix it all together. I think it needed to be a little bit less. Ooh. Let me put some more honey, make it taste a little bit yummier. Hi Chandra. Read in the comments as I go along. Hi Salima, how you doing? You guys like honey as a sweetener or agave? You could use that. It's a definite nice flavor that you can add to chocolate to make it a little bit yummier. I'm just gonna melt it again. I did a little too much milk, but basically, let me just taste one. So after you roll it around in the chocolate, you can then take some of the nuts. I'm making such a bad mess right now. And you just sprinkle it on top. Just sprinkle it on top, right there. Doop doop, doop doop, doop doop. Ta-da! Yeah, exactly, Brian. You have to put on your mask. Definitely do that. Hi, Sanel. How you doing? Mmm. Mmm. So this is a yummy, simple, easy, quick, chocolatey recipe that you guys can try. Mmm. 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 Chocolate. Chocolate. Mm. So you just take your dates with the peanut butter, swirl it around. Try not to get birds in your chocolate syrup. I'm making such a mess. But it's always fun. And then you dip your nuts on top of it, and then you enjoy it. But you can make quite a lot, refrigerate it, and then and it's just a nutrient dense, packed, healthy snack option that you guys can try. Let me know if you guys liked it, if you tried it. My gosh, this tastes so good. I'm like, any of you like chocolate junkies? Or is it just me? Am I the only chocolate junkie out there? And dark chocolate is actually not bad for you. It is fantastic. It tastes good. Hi Nikki. Hi Chris. Hi Josh. Hi Darren. Oh. Thank you. You're so sweet. Let me just put some more nuts. Ta-da! So this is basically what it looks like, and I hope you guys try it and like it. Let me know. It's a healthy snack option for everyone and anyone who likes chocolate, peanut butter, dates. And you guys can check out my recipe booklet. If you're interested in getting one signed, just let me know. It's also available on Amazon. And remember, health is wealth. So Didi's Nutrition Consultancy is available, and I do virtual sessions. So right now, because of COVID, everything is virtual. So if you're interested in improving your health through lifestyle changes, guys, no restrictive diets, no fast weight loss gimmicks, no supplements, no products, just purely about your habits, about your lifestyle, and I will help you accomplish whatever health goal without restrictive diets. I do not do restrictive diets, and I really just want to help you guys accomplish that health goal without, thinking that you have to diet and you have to cut out this and cut out that, and it's not about that. I want to make sure that you enjoy what you love and you have whatever you love in your diet, no matter what. It's just more about portion sizes, balancing meals, and just about your daily routines and your daily habits. So I have different programs. Shape Me Didi, which is a holistic approach, includes one-on-one individual exercise sessions, and yes, I do them virtually as well. It's just a video call, and we do that for an hour. I have the healthy cooking sessions where we prepare healthy meals, healthy snacks, and meals together. I have the grocery shopping tour where we come up with a healthy grocery shopping list, go through the aisles, and discuss the nutrition facts label. And I also have the nutrition counseling sessions, which is basically to help you come up with better lifestyle changes based on your habits, based on your routines, and exactly what we figure out exactly what you are willing to do to accomplish that health goal. I have a Beat the Sweet with Didi diabetic program, and that's more educational to empower and educate you to better manage and control your diabetic sugar levels, your blood sugar levels. So it's basically 1 hour sessions every week. It's 3 sessions total. That one is $300 for the month. So you guys message me, I work with you, I help you based on your budget, whatever you want to accomplish and how much you want to spend. We can work on a plan together once I could get you into better health. That is my aim. Alright guys, and if you're interested in advertising, let me know. I can showcase your products, I could share your page. It's up to you what exactly you want to advertise, and if you're interested, just message me. I have my business number out and available. Alright guys, so have a fantastic day. Happy Independence everyone. Be safe, please be safe during this time. Wear a mask, and I hope that you guys practice healthy lifestyles all the time, and reach out to me if you need help, because I am more like a support system. I have never once told somebody this is a general plan. Never. I always do individualized sessions. So it's up to you. It's up to what you like, what you dislike. I work with you to come up with your health goals and help you to accomplish it through little lifestyle changes. Hi Anselm, how you doing? Hi I hope I'm saying these names right. Skelly. Hi Julian. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Hi Wendy. Oh, I know. Thank you. I want to one day, hopefully. Hi Andy. I like dark chocolate, yeah, because it's healthy. And look, so cute. Look at that. Woohoo! It's so delicious. Like, oh my gosh. A little energy boost for the day. So hope you guys like it and try it. Comment down below what you want me to do next. And this month is dedicated to chocolate recipes. So I hope you guys are chocolate addicts just like me, so that you can enjoy these recipes as well. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. I have a mess to clean up. Okay, good luck to everyone, and have a fantastic day. Keep wearing your mask, sanitize, and just be safe. And if you're interested in any of my programs, I'm here to help you. Let me be your support system and help you accomplish your health goals through lifestyle changes only. No gimmicks. None.